Hi, we're here at the Verizon Technology Forum in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and I'm with Jim Cutcherfellow from Motorola. So Jim, tell us, what value does Motorola add to helping service providers become successful in the video space?
So Motorola works well with all the major service providers, and particularly Verizon. Motorola is the full service provider. So not only do we supply all the components, but the ability to integrate them together into a working system, since we had to literally start from ground zero, get everything going with Verizon, and it's been highly successful. So we do supply all the head-end gear, which is where the signals come down from satellites and off-air sources, and integrate that together along with video on demand and other aspects of the video service. But the real part that the consumer sees is a set-top box, which we have over here. The set-top box is the whole consumer experience. The program guide that resides on that was written by Verizon, and it's been highly successful with customers. The set-tops provide high-definition DVR functionality, and we're working with Verizon to integrate more features that will make it even better in the future.
Wonderful. That sounds great. Also very interested, how does Motorola view the future of the access space, the last mile and the network to the home?
So the interesting thing about Motorola is that we play in a multitude of spaces, so we can make them all work well together. As I mentioned, the set-top and the video head-end, that signal needs to travel to get to the customer's home. And Motorola supplies GPON, which you see here. This is our OLT. It's a non-blocking matrix 4-port on each card. This is a high-density, high-speed product that enables you not only to offer TV, but IPTV, as well as high-speed data services to your customer. And this is currently being deployed. It's the next generation product, and it'll enable Verizon to work well in the marketplace.
Great, that's very exciting. So lastly, as the only vendor with products from every point of the home network, the STB, the BHR, and the ONT, how does it change Motorola's approach to serving their customers?
So what we're looking at is, how do you make the pieces in the home work well together? And as you mentioned in the question, we do all the pieces. So the set-top box, which you see over there, the broadband router, and the ONT, which is this device here, which goes on the side of the home or in the home, can talk to each other, not only in ways to give extra services to customers, but also in a way that will enable Verizon to do diagnostics across the whole home network, which stops truck rolls and expensive propositions of getting customers back. Our goal is that you be able to identify the problems in advance and be able to fix them, and do it at a low cost.
Absolutely, and I know that they appreciate that.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have a good rest of the show.
Thanks.